ang condominium property in Metro Manila because of that opportunity. And we are very glad to present and to showcase our project na ito yung pwede niyo pong ma-offer, especially if you want to invest here in Metro Manila. So again, our project is Camellia Manors here in northern part of Metro Manila. So before that, let me give you some idea, sino nga ba si Caloocan City? Well, first is that, next slide. So Caloocan City po is a highly urbanized city and part of Metro Manila. And as part of this area, that Caloocan has been part of the top 10 wealthiest cities. So imagine that for the 10 consecutive years, nasasama si Caloocan sa mga pinakamayayamang lungsod, not only here in Luzon, but of course, nationwide. And this is because of the stability ng area in terms of yung commercialization. So that's why if you're going to visit talaga North Caloocan, you will be seeing several businesses which will make it Caloocan as most best business-friendly cities in the Philippines. So talagang malaki yung nakikita nating potential with our area. Hindi pa siya fully developed compared with the other prime areas like Quezon City, Taguig, Pasay, but definitely sooner or later once na natapos itong mga upcoming and ongoing developments, talagang mahahani na tayo sa mga prime cities na nabanggit natin. Next slide. So aside from that Caloocan City is the first city of Metro Manila after Luzon provinces. And that's why Caloocan could serve as a halfway home ng mga city workers na nagtatrabaho here in Metro Manila but originally from the nearby regions. So kumbaga parang kaya nagiging overpopulated ang metro because yung job opportunity. Maraming mga taga-province na nagmamigrate and nag-relocate here in Metro Manila. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng demand when it comes on residential or rental business. So with our location, dahil tayo ang pinakaunang lungsod after Luzon provinces, definitely Caloocan is the best location when it comes on rental business. Why? Because it is not very ideal right now na nagta-travel itong mga city workers every day, especially dahil mataas na rin ang mga gas rates, mataas na rin ang pamasahe, even the toll fees. So talagang it is very ideal and perfect for city workers na nagta-travel every day na magkaroon ng second home or magrenta dito sa Caloocan City because tayo ang pinakamalapit or nasa center point tayo between Metro Manila and then ng province of Luzon. Next slide. And aside from that, Caloocan po is dalawa para just to avoid lang din confusion that merong dalawa po si Caloocan. So merong South Caloocan and also North Caloocan. So sa South, ito is kilala siya dahil sa nandito located yung well-known landmark ni Caloocan, which is yung monumento ni Andres Bonifacio. So katabi nito si Manila, Navotas, Valenzuela, Malabon, and Quezon City. Wherein our project is not located here. So our project is located in the northern part of Caloocan, which is better because mataas yung location natin. Kasi katabi natin yung Bulacan province like May Kawayan, Marilao, and San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and even yung mga cities in Metro like Quezon City and Valenzuela. So between the two, better si North Caloocan when it comes on location because dahil mataas ang location po natin, hindi po binabaha ang location po natin compared sa South na doon talaga medyo prone sa baha. Ayan. So next is that one interesting fact din for Caloocan is that kilala din po tayo sa mga tourist spot. So even nasa Metro Manila tayo, meron tayong something na pwede nating mabisit. And ito yung mga several temples, Chinese temples po. So meaning to say is that with the existing Chinese temples dito sa Caloocan City, we are seeing evidence of a community of Chinese, which as we all know that these Chinese are the best market when it comes on condominium investment or even rental. So kumbaga parang not only city workers ang nakikita nating market po dito, but also yung mga foreigners, especially for this Chinese community. Next slide. Ayan, So of course, dahil nasa Metro Manila tayo, you will also experience talaga yung accessibility and convenience. Because parang ang idea natin kapag Metro Manila, ang best location talaga would be yung mga nasa core, nasa gitna, which is Mandaluyong, Makati, Quezon City. But right now, because developing lahat ng mga cities in Metro Manila, whatever yung conveniences, whatever yung mga entertainment hubs, anything na makikita at gusto niyo pong ma-enjoy sa center point of Metro Manila, you can also experience that, no, even in the northern part or fringes of Metro Manila, specifically for Caloocan. No? So kumbaga parang if we're going to talk about yung mga magagandang mga hospitals, magagandang mga universities, and even mga shopping malls and transportation facilities, they're not only available sa center point or nasa gitna ng Metro Manila. They are everywhere here in Metro Manila. So that's why kahit nasa Caloocan ka, you can still experience 100% convenience and accessibility. Next slide. Now, what are the developments na i-expect natin, no, here in North Caloocan? So first is that the MRT Line 7, like yung nabanggit nga, no, ni Ron kanina discussing San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Caloocan or North Caloocan will also benefit dito sa MRT 7 na to, which will provide accessibility doon sa mga city workers na magmamigrate dito sa Caloocan. So again, this line po, no, will traverse San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, North Caloocan, and going dito sa North Avenue in Quezon City. And good thing is that by next year, first quarter, no, mag-ooperate na po, fully operational na po itong MRT Line 7. Next slide. Another interesting fact po about MRT Line 7 is that, like yung nabanggit din, no, kanina, is that meron tong access going sa pinakabagong international airport here in Luzon, which is the New Manila International Airport in Bulacan, Bulacan. So with that, no, North Caloocan will also be more open dito sa international market or sa mga magta-travel or gustong pumunta dito sa Metro Manila. So with that access point, no, definitely hindi na natin ganun may experience, no, yung traffic on ground because meron tayong direct access coming from this airport going here in North Caloocan. Next slide. Another thing din na may enjoy po natin dito sa MRT Line 7 is that the proposed Katipunan Spur Line. So ano ba yung interesting thing kapag nandito ka sa Katipunan? So nandito yung mga pinakamagagandang mga, isa sa mga pinakamagandang mga universities, no, mga CBDs area, and dito rin po yung daan going sa eastern part of Luzon, which is Rizal. So magkakaroon ng station, no, or kumaga parang expansion ang MRT line going in this location. So meaning to say, if you're coming from North Caloocan and then magta-travel ka going dito sa Katipunan area like Ateneo, Miriam College, and even Pasig or even Antipolo Rizal, talagang hindi na ganun tayo may hirapang mag-travel. So definitely North Caloocan, you can travel everywhere, whether north, whether south, or even eastern part of Luzon. Next slide. Yan. So aside from that, no, meron din tinatawag na common station. So this common station po will connect 4 major infrastructure developments here in Metro Manila. So merong MRT 7, merong MRT 3 nagta-travel from Quezon City, Pasig, Mandaluyong, and even sa Taft. Dito rin po dudugtong sa MRT 9 na nagta-travel going to QC, Pasig, Taguig, and of course Naiya. And then LRT 1 na nagta-travel going Baclaran, and then expansion going to Cavite. So with the help of common station, Caloocan will be more accessible dito sa mga prime areas in Metro Manila, which will become more applicable talaga sa mga city workers na magmamigrate dito sa Caloocan. And even sa southern part of Luzon, specifically for Cavite and the rest of Luzon or South Luzon area. Next slide. Ayan, so of course, no, si North Caloocan will also benefit din dito sa proposed, no, na MRT Line 11, which will traverse San Jose del Monte, North Caloocan, and going dito sa Manila. So once ma-approve dito, definitely talagang eto na yung pinakamalapit sa atin na infrastructure development aside sa MRT Line 7. Next slide. Yan, so ito po, no, let me give you further discussion po, no, bakit maganda mag-invest in Caloocan City. Well, first is that, next slide, Caloocan will be your gateway to an affordable condominium investment. Why? Next slide po. So it is because, as we all know, when it comes on prices, selling prices of condominium here in Metro Manila, so talagang mataas na rin yan. So averaging nga sa 500,000, 300,000, 200,000, which somehow hindi na siya ganon ka-affordable, especially sa mga starter na gustong kumuha ng property or even yung mga bagong alis lang, no, ng mga OFW. So medyo masasacrifice ang budget. But since meron tayong project na located here in Caloocan City, no, we can still offer, no, a project na nasa affordable segment wherein yung mga starter condominium investor or even yung mga existing investors na gustong mag-expand ng kanilang investment portfolio, definitely makakakuha pa rin sila ng condominium na ganun kababa or ganun ka-affordable ang selling prices, which is here in Caloocan City. So talagang perfect ang ating location na kahit nasa northern part na tayo ng Metro Manila, still very affordable pa rin ang selling prices na ma-offer natin sa ating mga investor. And the good thing is that Caloocan is one of the emerging cities here in the Philippines, no? So as you can see dito sa ranking, no, that Caloocan ranked number 9. And also nasasama din tayo doon sa mga highly urbanized cities nationwide. So talagang hindi pa ganun fully developed, but yet talagang sobrang ganda na magiging feature na makikita po natin dito. Next slide. Yan, of course, another reason is that the infrastructure era of North Metro Manila. So marami tayong mga developments na nangyayari not only in the center or even sa provinces of Luzon, but of course here in northern part of Metro Manila, specifically for North Caloocan. So ito yung mga developments na yan, like for example, MRT Line 7, MRT Line 11, Kai Mall by Limcat Kai, Camarin Doctors Hospital, Arellano University Novaliches. So marami pang mga upcoming developments which will provide or will enhance yung way of living dito sa northern part of Metro Manila. And of course, if I were you po, if you have a chance talaga na makapag-invest, better mag-invest na tayo right now because these developments will definitely trigger yung pagtaas ng value ng property here in our area. Next slide. Ayan, so another interesting fact po that I want you all na mag-grab itong opportunity is yung condotel rental business in North Caloocan. Why? Because if we're going to visit talaga North Caloocan in general, you won't see any resorting condominium yet or even hotel, or magagandang mga condominium dito sa northern part of Metro Manila or North Caloocan. So with that absence, dahil walang hotel sa area, Camellia Manors Caloocan could be the first condo condominium resort team na pwede po kayong maging or pwede natin gawing condotel ang ating condominium here. So tayo ang una makakapag-enjoy ng condotel rental business here in our area. So and of course, dahil meron tayong visa leasing services na tutulong po sa atin, definitely hindi tayo mahirapang magpa-rent out ng ating property. Okay? Ayan, so another thing po, or last reason po is that Caloocan could be your halfway home property investment. So like what I've said, that Caloocan is the first city in Metro Manila, so talagang perfect na perfect ang Caloocan in terms of rental business, especially if ang market talaga natin is yung mga city workers na nagta-travel every day. So they might as well na mag-consider na lang din na magrenta dito in our area instead of mag-travel every day. Yeah, so next slide. So with that points, etong mga reasons na to, let me present naman, ano itong Camellia Manors Caloocan. So ano yung pwede po nating ma-enjoy once na napili nating mag-invest in our property. So as you can see dito sa ating tagline, the new Caloocan. So definitely Camellia Manors Caloocan will transform the condo living or the ordinary living into a premium living. Next slide, Mara. Ayan, so next slide. So yung property po natin, by the way, is the first ever Pine Estate and mixed-use condo development here in our area. Next slide, sige, go lang. Ayan. So by the way, our project po is located here in Camarin Road, North Caloocan City. So as you can see dito sa map po natin that our project is surrounded po with several establishments, whether yung mga shopping centers, medical facilities, universities, and even yung mga road networks. So talagang hindi pa siya fully developed, but yet talagang whatever yung kailangan natin, they are available 24/7. So next slide. So what it feels like kapag nandito tayo sa Camellia Manors Caloocan. So first is that our project is a Pine Estate community. So meaning to say is that even nasa Metro Manila tayo, you can still experience a suburban feel because of the pine trees na itatanim po natin dito sa ating community. So it will definitely balances yung urban spaces na kahit nasa Metro Manila kayo, still meron pa rin serenity feel dito sa ating project. Another thing po na may enjoy po natin dito is that yung convenience. So as you can see dito sa ating perspective that in front of our development po, meron tayong itatayong commercial mall. So next slide. So, dito po, maglalagay po tayo ng mga affiliates po natin, like for example, All Home, All Day Supermarket, All Day RX, Coffee Project, Bake My Day, Chicken Deli, which will suffice talaga no, yung mga basic needs natin. So, the idea is that you don't need to mag-travel every day. Back lang tayo, Mara. So, kumbaga parang hindi na natin kailangang lumabas ng ating property if we're going to talk about yung mga needs natin. So, yung property natin will not only provide us space but also it will promote talaga yung healthy and secured living kasi hindi nyo na talaga kailangan lumabas ng ating property. So kung kanina yung mga Vista Estates natin, no, sobrang laki ng kanilang mga property. Pero si Camellia Manors, parang ito yung pocket Vista Estate Township property. No? So kumbaga parang mas compressed siya. So hindi ganun kalaki yung property, which is also better, mas exclusive, mas private, mas may enjoy po ninyo ang ating amenities or ating mga features. Next slide. Ayan. So of course, dahil matataas ang buildings natin, resort team amenities ang ating ino-offer, no? A hotel-like experience talaga ang inyong may enjoy dito sa Camellia Manors, Caloocan because of the amenities na may enjoy po niyo 24/7. So what are those amenities? So meron tayong kiddie pool, adult pool, 2-story clubhouse, function hall, fitness gym, kids play park, meron tayong Zen garden, and of course, dahil mataas po ang building po natin, for you to enjoy or to see no, yung panoramic view of Bulacan Province and Metro Manila, meron tayong sky garden. No? So, definitely talagang sobrang ideal ang ating property, no? Especially for staycation because of these amenities. So, next slide. So, dito po, makikita natin no, yung ating mga security facilities naman. So that's why kahit nasa Metro Manila tayo in general, no, you will feel safe pa din and may peace of mind pa din kayo na kahit wala kayo sa unit po ninyo, sobrang safe ang inyong unit. No? So meron tayong electric perimeter fence, 24/7 security system, CCTVs and fire alarms, and sprinkler system, and then backup power for common area. Next slide. Ayan. So ito po yung site development plan po natin. So as you can see, meron tayong 5 towers. And then in front of our buildings po, nandiyan po yung commercial mall po natin. Ayan. So again, nandiyan yung mga affiliates po natin. Okay? And then at the back ng mall po natin, nandiyan yung amenity area po natin na nabanggit ko po kanina. And few steps away, located po ang ating building 1, which is yan po yung currently na in-offer po natin. By the way po, yung building 1 po natin, no, ang turnover po natin dyan would be by 2024. So, meaning to say po is that you don't need na maghintay ng 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years or more than that for you to enjoy yung inyong investment and of course for you to start your rental business because after 2 years, talagang magagamit nyo na ang inyong property, no? Mapagkakakitaan nyo na po ang inyong property through rental business. And by the way, our buildings po no, ay 15 floors. So mataas po yung buildings po natin dito. Okay, next slide. Yan, so ito po yung floor layout po natin. So as you can see, meron tayong 3-color designation po dito. No? So meron tayong color blue, which is our biggest unit. Yung 1-bedroom unit po natin na 30.36 square meter. We also have Studio Prime in color pink, which is located in front of our elevators. By the way, we have 2 high-speed elevators for all the buildings. Ayan. And then, meron tayong mga color yellow. So, yung color yellow po natin, yan po yung Studio Regular po natin, which is yan ang best-selling unit po natin, which is 23.76 square meters. So, ito pong floor layout po natin, applicable yan sa lahat ng mga floors and then buildings po natin. So, both of them po are also applicable then for rental and then for end use. Now, next slide. Yan. So ito naman po yung mga exclusive promos po na may enjoy po ninyo at the end of the month. So better po na mag-grab natin ito. So first is that we have outright discount as much as 230,000 pesos po. Yan, so automatically i-deduct po natin yan sa ating total contract price. We also have lower reservation fee na 15,000 pesos po ang ating starting. And then gift certificate which is worth 10,000 po yan upon move in. And we also have better scheme po, no, which is starting po natin dito is 12,000. So paano po ang ating scheme dito? For example, ito po ang ating sample competition for our studio unit. Okay, so our all total contract price is 3.9 but since meron tayong outright discount na 232,000, you can now invest no for as much as 3.6 million. So again, 3.6 nasa Metro Manila ka but township ang inyong property. Now, ang down payment po natin is 15% which is 551,000 and then ang reservation fee po natin is 15,000. Now, ang down payment po natin is 30 months po natin siyang babayaran. So paano siya? For example, from the first hanggang 6th month po natin, ang monthly po ninyo is 12,000 and then on the 7th month, may babayaran lang tayong lump sum which is sobrang gaan lang naman niya which is 50,000. From 8 hanggang 12 month, 15,000 pesos per month. And then on the 13th month, again, meron lang tayong sobrang gaan na lump sum na 50,000. And then for the remaining months, from 14th hanggang 30th month, ang monthly po niyo is 17,000 po. So kumbaga parang ranging around 12 to 15 to 17,000 po ang monthly down payment po ninyo. Which is, magaan na yan since given that ang down payment po natin is only 30 months. No? So talagang may enjoy niyo na talaga ang inyong rental business dito, no? So ito po no ang ating starting price for our studio. So if you want higher floor, by the way, itong 3.6 na price, this is price from first hanggang 7th floor, no? So by next month po no, starting 2nd floor po, iba na rin po ang price niya. Supposedly every floor nagkakaroon tayo ng increment or pagtaas ng presyo ng inyong property. So that's why better po na mag-grab nito yung special promo natin na for as low as 3.6, you can reserve your property hanggang 7th floor na 3.6 ang ating presyo. Ayan, next slide. So ayan, so that's basically it no for our project here in Carmela Manors in Metro Manila, specifically in North Caloocan. So if you have questions po or clarification, so meron po tayong marketing team, of course. No? By the way, this is Kenneth again, handling the project of Carmela Manors Caloocan, together with Miss Mara Olivera, which is our marketing officer. Yan po ang ating marketing team. So for us na ma-visualize po no, what it feels and what it looks like po no, living here in Carmela Manors Caloocan. So we have a short video po ng ating Carmela Manors walkthrough. So Mara, can you play our video? Alright, so again, thank you so much po no, sa ating mga business partners